Hi, I'm Daniela.
And I'm Richard, and we're here to show you our lab video for Lab 1, recrystallization.
To separate a typical organic compound from impurities, a recrystallization method can be used.
First, dissolve your impure sample in the appropriate solvent. You should add more solvent than is needed to dissolve the sample to prevent premature crystallization.
This solution is then heated to mean boiling, but make sure that the solvent does not boil away, as this will cause the solution to crystallize.
Once it has dissolved, then remove the solution from the heat source. Let it stand for a minute or so. Then, if your solution has color or a thin film of undissolved impurities at the top, add charcoal slowly. The addition of charcoal is to remove the small impurities and decolor it.
Reheat this mixture to dissolve any crystals that may have formed during the addition of charcoal.
Prepare the fluted filter paper for gravity filtration using a powder funnel. And here is how you fold the fluted filter paper. Towards the middle. And then you open up the piece of paper and you make sure the folds are facing towards you, and you refold the sides into half quarters. And then open up the filter paper and you're all done. Gravity filtration is used to separate the solid components from the solution that contains the compound. Fluted paper is used to increase the surface area, which speeds up the filtration process and decrease contact with the walls of the filter.
The powder funnel, or plastic funnel, is used to decrease heat loss as the spout is shorter, so liquid does not have enough time to cool. This also prevents crystallization in the neck, which could lead to blockage. The powder funnel, in combination with the fluted paper, helps to prevent premature crystallization. Make sure that the solution stays hot during this process by placing the flask on a hot plate.
Once filtered, let the remaining solution cool to room temperature. In the meantime, prepare suction filtration. Use an appropriate size filter paper so that it covers the holes of the canner's funnel, but does not touch the walls. Use an adapter that fits the flask being used to assure there is a proper seal during filtration. Prepare the filter paper by using some of the solvent. Suction filtration separates the crystals from the solution. Rinse the crystals with ice-cold solvent only. The crystals can dissolve if you use warm or hot solvent, which may cause a loss of percentage of the organic compound during recovery.
Let the filtration run without any addition of solvent for a moment to dry the crystals. Then, in a designated area, such as a drawer, leave the crystals to dry for at least 1 day. Then collect, weigh, and store.